Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how those frozen pizzas in your freezer are made, you're about to get a front row seat to some seriously cool factory magic. We're diving into the high-tech world of automated pizza production. Trust me, you're going to be amazed at how these cheesy, saucy wonders are made. So let's get into it. It all starts in massive automated factories where thousands of frozen pizzas are churned out every single day to meet the demands of the market. First up, we've got the dough. Huge automatic mixers combine flour, water, yeast, and a bunch of other ingredients in just the right amounts. These machines blend everything together until the dough is smooth and perfectly textured. Once the dough is ready, it moves along conveyor belts that carry it through the next stages. Now, here's where things get really cool. The dough is divided into uniform balls, and this is where the machines step in. These balls are transported around the factory via conveyor belts and lifts, which carry them to different workstations. Some of these dough balls rest for a bit to rise and develop flavor, while others are sent straight to the pressing station. At the pressing station, special machines press the dough balls with just the right amount of force, transforming them into perfectly round pizza bases. Every base is consistent in thickness and size, ensuring each pizza looks and tastes just right. But if you're thinking, wait, there's more than one way to shape dough? You're right. Some dough is rolled into long sheets and then cut into pizza-sized shapes with precision cutting machines. This high-volume method allows for even more pizzas to be produced at lightning speed, without losing the quality of each crust. Sauce and toppings. Once the dough is prepped, it's time to top those pizzas. First, a precise machine dispenses just the right amount of tomato sauce onto each base, making sure it's evenly spread all over the surface. And the sauce isn't just dumped on there randomly. Special rolling machines make sure it's distributed perfectly for a balanced flavor in every bite. Now let's talk toppings. This is where you get to see some real technology in action. Machines with rotating arms delicately add the toppings, whether it's savory meats, fresh veggies, or whatever your favorite pizza toppings might be. And yes, every topping is measured to perfection, so each pizza gets exactly the right amount. And then of course, we can't forget the cheese. Specialized machines sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheese across the pizza. These machines are calibrated to deliver just the right amount, so every slice is covered with that gooey, melty goodness we all love. Once the pizzas are fully assembled, it's time to preserve them for later. Here's where freezing technology comes in. The pizzas are moved into blast freezers, where they are rapidly cooled to super low temperatures to lock in freshness. This freezing process helps the pizzas stay tasty while they're transported and stored. Now the pizzas are ready for packaging. Conveyor belts carry them to wrapping machines where each pizza gets wrapped up tightly in plastic film or shrink wrap to keep it fresh and protected. If the pizza is packaged in a cardboard box, automated machines quickly form the boxes and seal them with precision. These machines use rollers, adhesive tape, or hot glue to make sure everything stays secure for transport. And there you have it, from mixing dough to adding toppings, freezing and wrapping. These automated factories work at lightning speed to bring you your favorite frozen pizzas, all while maintaining high quality and consistency. Next time you grab a frozen pizza, you'll know exactly what went into making it. If you're curious about how other foods are made using cool tech and machines, stay tuned for our next video. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Catch you next time.